Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to wash your makeup brushes and beauty blenders, leaving them clean and spotless. So first of all, you need some dishwashing soap, some apple cider vinegar. You can also use a regular white vinegar. Then you're gonna put your brushes in the mixture. And I'm using cold water. So once you add your dishwashing liquid and your apple cider vinegar to the water, now you're going to use your fingers to gently wash your brushes. In the past, I would normally use a little bit of bleach with the soap, but I've learned over time that the apple cider vinegar breaks down the foundation more faster and leaving them clean and spotless. So I'm now using my apple cider vinegar instead of bleach, and I think the apple cider vinegar is much safer. So once I've removed the heavy makeup residue from the brush brittles, I am going to give it a second wash, repeating the same process using some dishwashing liquid, the apple cider vinegar, just to get them clean and spotless. And I use hot water on my second wash. You want to make sure to rinse under running water so that all the makeup residue can run from the brushes. So this one is my foundation brush and it is the hardest one to break down, so I am going to put it in soak once more until it is clean and spotless. So once I'm done washing the brushes, I place them on a hand towel and I'm going to leave them overnight to air dry. So now I'm about to wash my beauty blenders, repeating the same process using some apple cider vinegar, some dishwashing liquid, and I've already went ahead and prepared the mixture. So now I'm adding my beauty blenders to the mixture. I am also going to leave the beauty blenders in soak overnight because I have learned that the makeup residue is harder to break down from the beauty blenders versus the brush brittles. And this is my foundation brush. So as for the foundation brush, it is the hardest brush to really break down the makeup residue, so I'm gonna leave it in soak overnight as well with the beauty blenders. Welcome back guys, this is the morning after, and as you can see, most if not all the makeup residue has leaked from the beauty blenders. So now it is so easier for me to wash. All I have to do now is just rinse under some running water. So now it's time for me to rinse my beauty blenders. You want to make sure you press and squeeze under running water to remove every little bit of soap and the apple cider vinegar from your beauty blenders. So you want to press and squeeze thoroughly until all the soap is removed, just like that. So once you press, squeeze until all the soap is removed, then it is safe for you to leave your beauty blenders to air dry. So this is how my beauty blenders are looking after washing, all new, nice and clean. So I really recommend this process, and you should all try this process and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye.